Butterflies can't see their wings. They can't see how truly beautiful they are, but everyone else can. People are like that as well. Hey everybody, it's Monday and it's raining outside. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what it looks like outside, but I still got to go to a few places, so I'm gonna take you guys along. Come on. And how are you guys doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. Do you guys hear that outside? This is how the vlog is starting. I still gotta go to 2 stores right quick, so I'm gonna take you along. This is what I got so far. I went soda today. Some spaghetti sauce, some cookies, pineapple soda, some disposable cutlery, some albacore tuna, some dish liquid, toilet paper, some bleach. Oh, and I did also get some laundry detergent and just that small haul. I got from Goodwill, and this is the second item. It's a blouse. It's see-through. This is the name of the company, and it was $5.99. And of course I'm going to try on all these items, but that's what it looks like, and I'm going to cut to what it looks like on. Okay guys, so here is the first one. It's this see-through mesh top. Let me get close up so you can see it is, look at where my body is. This was the one that was like an extra large, but I like it because it gives me room that I don't feel confined. And it has this, I like the bra, I like wide stripes. I don't like little tiny stripes. So yeah, and then that's the back. That's what the back looks like. And I'm wearing it with these shorts. I think I got this in the last haul. I'm trying to see if I can show you the shorts. Let me make an adjustment. So, yeah. So these are the shorts. They're kind of, you can't really see, but they're kind of cut off. So, kind of cut off. Yeah. See your girl getting fit. I'm getting summertime fine. That's what I call it. I'm getting summertime fine. So yeah, that's what it looks like with the shirt out. And yeah, I like it. I have space, room to be free. It's very comfortable, and I love the colors in it that I could wear with many different colors: yellow, pink, coral, blue, and my favorite, shout out to Lovey Star Beading and my Marlene earrings. So yeah, this is the first blouse. Let's go to the next thing. So first up, I got these brown and cream capris that are pinstriped, double buttoned, and it is from this company. And it was for $7.99. And let me show you the second item. Pinstripe. I do have a camisole on right now, but I'm, you know, that's what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna show what I would actually put on, because I would never just leave the house in this camisole with these shorts. So let me modify it, because I am a modest person. So hold. I forgot to show the back of the pants. So you can see, this is what the full, you know, they call them knee knockers, but I think it's appropriate mature woman shorts or culottes or capris or whatever you want to call it. These are mature people's shorts. I don't do the shorts up here with things hanging out. No, we don't do that. So what I would do is I have this, you know, what do you call this, cover up or whatever. So I use this different ways. When I have this, that's what it looks like in the back. When I have this with a skirt, you can gather up the back, and then I can do old school, like back in the day, and tie this up, you know, old school style. You can tie it up. And then I got this t-shirt, which took me back to my childhood. And I saw it, I was like, yeah, I gotta get that. Okay. This is a t-shirt, and I'm gonna go to the next item. Put my earring back in. See, this is why people don't do try-ons. But here's the t-shirt. You know, it's longer and stuff, but no, that doesn't give you shape. So all y'all ladies, tuck up, or even better, take some scissors and cut it. I think I may take a scissor and cut it and get it a little frayed along here. I think that would be cute. But yeah, just a regular t-shirt, guys. But I love the shorts, and I love this. This used to be my favorite cartoon back in the day. Shout out to all my mature people who used to watch Richie Rich. On to the next one. And here is the last item, Picasso t-shirt. And I'm gonna try all of them, and I'm gonna try all of them on. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody, here is the last blouse, Picasso top. Just want to try it on, and I would wear it with these shorts too, so I feel like I got the shorts that I've been wanting. Y'all know I've been looking for shorts. It's hard for all of us ladies who are not pencil thin to find something that can fit us when we have hips and butt. So yeah, so here it is. And yeah, and I did forget one item, so I'm gonna show you the last item. So this is the purse. This is a Target purse. It's called Kate and Alex. I got it from Goodwill, and it was $14.99, half price. And I like the gold hardware on it. It has pockets. I already put some of my stuff in there, but yeah, a cute little bag. Okay, so let me show you the last item. It's gonna be pretty quick. So it is this purse. I don't know if you saw that in the last vlog. This is a purse, and it's originally sold at Target. I like it because it's big. It can hold a lot of things. This is going to be my work purse. I can fit in here my tablet. I can put my makeup in. I can even fit my lunch, plus a lot of things. And trust me, this bag can hold a lot. So I really enjoyed it, and I believe that this bag was $15, and it appears to be new. I didn't see it with the tags on there, but I do believe that it's new, so I'm gonna enjoy rocking this purse. Yeah, and it has 2 pockets on the side. Like, I will put my phone over here, and of course candy, because I can't go without candy. And of course I got all this stuff inside already. It's full up, but it does have a pocket on the inside, and another pocket, and another pocket, so it's a lot of room. So I'm very happy with my purchase. Everything that I got, all of the items, and I also forgot that I did get some earrings, so I'll have to show you that on the next haul, or the next vlog, because I don't feel like looking for it. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching the haul and the try on. Let me know if you like seeing the hauls with the try-ons. I will see you all on the next one. Thank you so much for supporting Life with Marlene. And if you are a thrifter, what have you purchased recently? I would love to find out. See you guys on the next one. Be so good they can't ignore you. This is a quote by Steve Martin.